Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful and attractive Valentine Day special painting and quilling greeting card. So here I have done some poster color painting and also I have created some quilled flowers with new techniques. So let's get started. For this we need some purple, dark blue, black, orange and white color and yellow color 3mm quilling strips, quilling tools, scissor, liquid glue, black, blue, red, orange, yellow and white color poster colors, white cardstock, blue cardstock, quilling mold and one paintbrush. First I am taking one white cardstock which measures 11 cm by 13 cm and I am making some rough sketch using my pencil. So I am making girl and boy. So the sketch is ready. Now I am outlining whole sketch using my black color permanent marker. I am using permanent marker because when we will color this whole card, the pen work will not get erased. So it's done. Now erase all pencil work. Now I am taking the 6 number flat brush and first I am adding some water on the card base using my flat brush. Now first I am taking dark blue color, then red color, then orange and then some yellow color and merge all these colors really very well to make a background. So the background is ready. Now let it dry. So it's dry now. Now I'm taking some white color on my brush and just tapping this brush on the card base to make tiny stars. Just do this from little distance like this. So it's dry completely now. Now I'm taking my round brush and taking some black poster color. Here I am using 3 number round brush. Now take little black color and I will fill both of the figures and land with black poster color. So it's done. Now I'm making some small hairs to the girl and making some strokes using the same brush like this. So hairs are done. Now I'm adding some black color in the land. So it's done. Now I'm taking some black color on the brush and adding some grass on the land. Like this. So our painting picture is ready. Now I will show you how to make quilling flowers. For this I am taking this white color 3mm strip and making 2 loops. Cut excess strip. Add little glue, and now I am adding purple color strip with this. Again make 2 loops. Cut excess strip. Add glue with this and add dark blue color strip with this. And again make 2 loops. Each time I am increasing the level of loop. Secure the end. So petal is ready. In the same way I have created 4 more petals. So now I will connect all the petal to assemble the big petal of the flower. So for one petal I am using 5 these type of loops. Now add glue with this and wrap this with dark blue color strip. I am wrapping it twice. Cut excess strip and secure the end. So flower petal is ready. In the same way I have created 4 more petals. So now I am assembling the flower by adding petals with each other. Like this. Now for the center of the flower I am taking half strip of orange, half strip of black and 1 strip of yellow. So make a tight coil and I am adding the center with the flower. Let it dry this flower for some time. Now I will show you how to make this flower. For this I am taking half strip of yellow and 1/3 strip of white color. Make a tight coil and pinch it slightly from both the sides to make a leaf shape. Now take your quilling mold and make a dome shape. Add glue inside this. So petal is ready. In the same way I have created 5 more petals. So now I will connect all the petals to construct the flower shape. Like this. Now for the center of the flower I am using half strip of dark blue color. Now I have just rotated this flower after drying. Add glue in the center and connect the blue color tight coil. Similarly I have created 3 more flowers. Now I will show you how to make this petal. For this I am taking half strip of orange color. Make a loose coil and make a half circle like this. In the same way I created yellow half circle using half strip of yellow. Connect both the half circles with each other and wrap this whole petal with black color strip. Similarly I have created 2 more petals. So now I'm taking one small piece of orange strip and adding these petals to construct the leaf. For one leaf I am using 3 petals like this. Now I am taking one blue color card base which measures 30 cm by 17 cm, folding this in half. First I am adding my poster color painting on this. So add glue and connect the painting like this. Now I will add all the flowers and petals with this card. So I am adding these flowers in the corner. I have created some scrolls using blue and yellow shades. If you want to learn these scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can check there. So I am adding these scrolls, and also I am adding "Will you be my Valentine" sentiment on the card like this. Now I am adding one more flower in this corner and adding some half cut pearls to decorate this little more. So the card is ready. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.